Si tu reviens, ça te dit la longueur de la vidéo. Ça, il faut toujours regarder. Vas-y. Et normalement, les premiers paramètres que tu as fait quand tu as installé, après, tu n'auras pas besoin d'y toucher. Mais si tu reviens pour toucher la caméra, changer les piles, tu vérifies toujours la date, l'heure, le nom de la caméra. Et si ça vérifie, et si ça prend bien des vidéos de 1 minute, et tout ça. Vas-y, tu peux passer encore. Ouais. Ouais, vas-y, passe encore. Encore. Attends, je vais regarder si on ne peut pas mettre ça en français. Non. Tu ne peux pas mettre en français, non?
Okay, here we go, off to Zémongo, where we've been promised lots and lots of chimpanzees. So who knows what discovery we'll find. Allons-y, mes collègues. we're gonna go look for a temporary camp now. The problem is there's not much water here now. It's the end of the dry season. They say the chimps are more that way. They've heard a lot, but this way, maybe towards the big river, they haven't heard so much evidence. So we're gonna have to somehow balance walking and finding chimp evidence, and finding water. So all these things together, we'll see what happens. But anyway, it's good to be here. We're gonna see what we find.
Alessia, qu'est-ce qu'on avait vu là-bas?
On avait vu les chimpanzés dans notre caméra.
Ouah! Ok, voilà. Montre-nous encore. Ah, un autre même.
L'autre.
Ok.
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
Wow, c'est fantastique. Il est timide. Mais montre-moi la dernière. Ça, c'était parfait.
Non.
Ah, ça, c'est le pintade.
La la. La la. La la. La la. We're all agreeing here that this place is just rocking out with chimps. This place is like Beeley, but more so in that you hear them every night. You know where to go after them. It's easy to contact them. And like in Gangu forest, they don't really run away. They stay and display at you and raw and not like the chimps closer to the roads. This is fantastic contact. Wow, I was just couldn't have wished for a better day with contacts. Still hoping to find tools, and a few more nests would be nice, but man, the power of that big adult male that was displaying, almost like a ballerina, but just enormously muscled and shaggy black hair above us, was just spellbinding. Yeah, Zémongo, not many other big fauna, but great for chimps. Great for chimps. Maybe one of the best places I've ever seen for them. Oh, I've become a tea convert here. 2 weeks without coffee, and we forgot our coffee, so we're drinking tea. And it's actually pretty good. I've become a convert.
Je peux te demander, qu'est-ce qu'on voit ici? C'est un peu bizarre, non?
On a vu le nid au-dessus de notre caméra.
Ça, c'est le nid et ça, c'est la caméra. Et il a fait ça après nous.
Oui, c'était sûr qu'avant nous, les chimpanzés étaient là.
Oh, après le contact même.
Nous,
Wow.
d'abord, oui.
On va voir. C'est trop difficile de croire, mais vraiment, on avait vu le chimpanzé qui avait fait ce nid avait fait l'image de lui-même ici. C'est vraiment un moment exceptionnel.
Here we are, last day in the field for this year, and I'm going to enjoy it because I know ahead of me is a lot of paperwork and sitting in front of the computer, and I've really gotten into my swing here finally, mainly given that my knee is healed up quite well, and doing the full weeks and everything again, which is great. It helps that the chimps are really close to camp here, and they're everywhere. We heard them last night as well. So today, hopefully we'll find some, what I'm really hoping for is tools. We haven't found any tools here yet, or at least any clear tools. And nests, we have plenty of. We have 112 nests. Probably find another few today, but it's not really needed. We got plenty of data here.
Je suis très très content. Nous avons trouvé, je ne sais pas, 30 quelques nids aujourd'hui, et même nous avons eu un contact. I'm very happy we found over 30 nests, I think, today, and had a contact, and I even saw the chimps there on the ground. Fantastic. This is really the number one place for chimps I think I've maybe even ever been. I can think of a place where there are more chimps than this. Oh, we did it. I arrived. I didn't think I could make it the first day or two here. I was almost like, if there was a truck to come get me, I almost called it, but I'm glad I didn't because I found some amazing stuff here. And what an accomplishment. What an amazing 2 weeks. I'll never forget some of those contacts with these chimps here. Oh my goodness, just such drama and excitement. Now we're waiting here for the helicopter to come pluck us off the airstrip like a big hand from the sky. Put us back into, well, not quite the bigger world, but the periphery of it.
Nous sommes, ça c'est la grande réunion entre les deux équipes et nous avons tous trouvé les bonnes choses. Hein? Même les outils sud-est de Vovodo, ça c'est incroyable. Même nous faisons maintenant toutes les histoires ensemble.